Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn mathematics part first chapter 1 set. Myself Alka Narayan Patekar from Mahatma Phule Vidyalaya Lavle Taluka Mulshi Jilla Pune. Today we are going to study introduction and methods of writing sets. Introduction. In our daily life we generally talk about a group or a collection of objects. Some pictures are given below. It contains the group of things. For example, a bouquet of flowers, a flock of birds, a bunch of keys, a pack of cards. Here is the picture of bouquet of flowers, a flock of birds, a bunch of keys. In above example, we use special words for each of the collection, that is a bouquet of flowers, bunch of keys, flock of birds, etc. In above example, we can clearly list the objects of that collection. We call the collection of such objects as a set. Means in bouquet of flower we can count the elements. Some examples are given here. Decide whether the given examples are sets or not. First example is days of a week. Second example, month in a year. Brave children in the class. First 10 counting numbers. Rich people in your village. So in first example, days of a week. Which are the days of the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These are the days of the week. So we can clearly list the object of that collection of days of a week. Also in the month in a year, there are the objects such as January, February, March up to December. And in example 4, the objects are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. And in example 3 and example 5, we cannot list the brave children and rich people. In both the example, the word brave and the rich are the relative terms because the exact meaning of these words, brave children and rich people, differ from person to person. Therefore, these collections are not sets. Remaining examples are the examples of the set because we can clearly list the object in the set. From this information, we define the set such way if we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then that collection is called a set. The name of set is given by using a capital letters A, comma B, comma C, dash dash Z. The individual objects of the set is known as the members or an elements of the set. The element of the sets are shown by using a small letters A, B, C, dash dash. In the given example, if A is an element of set A, then it is written as A epsilon A and read as A is an element of set A. And if A is not an element of set A, then it is written as A epsilon naught set A and read as A is not an element of set A. Here the two symbols are used. The symbol is epsilon if A is the element of set A, then it is written as like that. And if A is not the element of set A, it is written by using this sign, that is not epsilon, and it is written like this and read as A is not an element of set A. Now let's observe the set of the numbers. We are familiar with the numbers, that is first is a set of natural numbers. Set of a natural number is denoted by letter capital N and the elements are 1, 2, 3 or dash dash. All these elements are written in a curly bracket. What is a natural numbers? Natural numbers are nothing but the counting numbers. These numbers are used for counting the things. Then second, a set of whole numbers. It is denoted by letter W and written as a 0, 1, 2, 3, dash dash are the elements of set of whole numbers. So what is a whole numbers? Whole numbers are natural numbers and 0 together are called the whole numbers. Why 0 is not taken in natural numbers? Because 0 is not used for counting things. So 0 is not a natural number. Then set of integers. It is written by letter capital I or Z and the elements of the sets are 0, natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and opposite of natural numbers -1, -2, -3, etc. So the integers are the numbers 0, natural numbers and the opposite of natural numbers all together form a set of integers. Then fourth number is a set of rational numbers. It is denoted by letter Q. So what is a rational numbers? Rational numbers are altogether the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and the fractions. So rational numbers are defined as the numbers in the form of m upon n. M and n are the integers. In that m and n are the integer n in which n is a non-zero integers. That form of a number is called the rational numbers. Then the set of real numbers. A set of real number is denoted by letter R. A real number means altogether the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Now we are going to see the methods of writing sets. There are two methods of writing sets. First is listing method or roster method. In this method, all elements of a set are written in curly bracket. Each of the elements is written only once and separated by commas. The order of an element is not important. Example, the set of odd numbers between 1 and 10. So, by using listing method, we can write the set name as a capital letter A. A is equal to all elements are in curly bracket, which are the numbers between. So set A is equal to the odd numbers between 1 and 10 are 3, 5, 7, 9. In this set, all elements are written only once and are separated by commas. Or set A is equal to into curly bracket. The order of the elements is not important, so it is written like this also: 7, 3, 5, 9. Elements are same, but the order is different. Example 2, set of digits in the word remember. The name of set is B, so here is capital B is equal to into curly bracket R, comma E, comma M, comma B. In the word remember, the letters are R, E, M, E, M, B, E, R. So, first we are written R, comma E, comma M, then B. Another letters are repeated. So, it is written only once. Second method, rule method or set builder form. In this method, elements are not listed but write the general elements using variables followed by a vertical line or colon and write the property of the variables. For example, the set of odd numbers from 1 to 10. By using listing method, the set of odd numbers from 1 to 10 are written like this. Name of the set is A, therefore A is equal to into curly bracket. Odd numbers from 1 to 10 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then how this set is written by using rule method. The name of set is A is equal to variable followed by a vertical line, here colon also given, then the property of a set, that is a set of odd numbers from 1 to 10 is A is equal to x vertical line x is an odd numbers less than 10. This is this set is read like this. Set A is the set of all x such that x is an odd number less than 10. Here some examples are given. These examples are written by both methods, listing methods and rule methods. First example is given in listing method. A is equal to into curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. First, from this listing method, for writing this set by rule method, first we have to find the common property of that number. So what is the common property? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 are the even numbers. So what is the property? These are the even numbers less than 15. So by rule method, this set is written like that into curly bracket x vertical line x, then property is an even number less than 15. The second example is given. B is equal to curly bracket x vertical line x. X is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. Then this set is we have to write by using a listing method. By listing method, in this all elements are written in curly bracket by using commas. So the name of set is B, and perfect square number between 1 to 20 are 4, 9 and 16. So this set is written by using a listing method. Then in third example, set C is given and the elements are A, E, I, O, U. For writing this set by rule method, we have to find the properties of these elements. What is the properties of these elements? So A, E, I, O, U are the vowels in English alphabets. So by rule method, the set C is written like that. C is equal to X vertical line X is a vowel in English alphabets. Then example 4 is given, set D is equal to curly bracket Y vertical line Y is a color in the rainbow. By using this property, we have to write the elements in that set by listing methods. So, what is the colors in the rainbow? Which are the colors in the rainbow? In rainbow, there are 7 colors, which are here instead only first letters of the color are given, but we have to write the full name of the color. So D is equal to into curly bracket V means violet, I means indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These are the colors in the rainbow and are the elements of set D. Then the other example is given as set P is equal to curly bracket x vertical line x is an integer and x is greater than -3 and less than 3. So which are the elements we have to write in listing method that these elements are set P is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. The last example is given in listing method. M is equal to 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. So find the properties given in that numbers. So these numbers are nothing but the cube of natural numbers. So how to write this set by rule method? First is set M is equal to into curly bracket x vertical line x is equal to n cube. N is a natural number. It is also written like that m is equal to x vertical line x. X is a cube of natural numbers and read as set m is the set of all x such that x is a cube of natural numbers. So solve the examples in practice set 1.1. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक यू.